everyone, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you are new here. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. This particular video is a Target dollar spot haul in collaboration with Raysha. Please go check out her channel. She's so inspiring. She posts hauls, she posts clean with me videos, she also posts amazing recipes, so go check her out. Also, if you're interested in growing your YouTube, please go to youtubegrower.net. You can find their link in my video description below, as well as Raysha's. And if you mention my name, you will receive some extra thumbnails, so go take a look. Hey guys, we are going to do a Target haul today, and I'm super excited because one Target I went to yesterday did not have hardly anything, so I went to a Target that was just a little bit farther away and they had a ton of stuff. So I am so happy that I was able to get everything that I got. So what I'm going to start off with is something that I got from Starbucks, and then I'll move on to the Target stuff. It is still part of the Target haul because, I mean, Starbucks is in most Targets, or maybe every Target, I don't know. But I really like their holiday cups this year. These are so cute. Yesterday I had, it was all hunter green, like the Starbucks green, and then it had white Mary coffee all over it. It was so cute. So for whatever reason, my Instagram is full of Starbucks cups. Please like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and we'll go ahead and get into the haul. So I'm gonna set my coffee down because if you know me, you know that I am so super graceful that I will probably end up spilling it all over the place. Also, my voice is a little bit going out because I have been sick for the last week and a half. So if you can't hear me, can't understand me, I do apologize for that. I'm gonna try to give you the item and then also what I paid for it. I think everything, almost everything, maybe one or two items is not from the dollar spot, but most of the other stuff is, or all of it is actually. So the first thing I'm going to show you is something that I got at Starbucks. I'm never early enough to get any of this stuff, so I'm super excited that I was actually early enough when they just put everything out to get these, because they had the Halloween ones and they sold out almost instantly. So this is just the cups, and then it has the lids. These are the cold cups, and then the straws is what got me. I love these straws so much, but I'll open it and show you guys exactly what it looks like. So you open it up. Even my husband liked these, and he's pretty uninterested in most of the stuff that I buy. He's just like, okay, cool, it's an item. So, all right, so basically what it is, and you might hear my washing machine or you might hear my kids, they're upstairs playing. So it comes with 5 cups, and these are the cold brew cups, and it's like 5 different types. My kids steal these from me and use them at night for water or to take to school. So I'm always missing my Starbucks cups. So I always buy the $1, $2 ones when they have them, the reusable ones. But anyways, it came with 5 different straws, or I'm sorry, 5 different cup lids, 5 different cups, and then 5 different straws. So, you know, green, dark green, red, dark red, and orange. So the price on this was $16.95, but you get 5 cups, so not mad about it. We definitely use these, so they're not going to waste. So that's all I got from Starbucks besides a cake pop. This is going to be such a funny haul because who wants to see your cake pop? But I think these are so cute. They're the peppermint chocolate. I don't care for the taste of them. I actually had one earlier, so this one I'm just going to give to one of the kids or whoever wants to eat it. All right, so I am going to start with this little gingerbread house, and if you can see, it's got a shimmer on top to look like snow, and it's made from particle board, and this was $3. This is such a cute little filler, and what I'm going to do with this is I bought a ton of their little trees, so I'm going to just group them together and not make like a village, but maybe just a little Christmas scenery. So that was $3. And then, like I said, I got a ton of these little trees. 1, 2, 3, 6 of these, but I also got some other trees, so this isn't it. These were all $1 each. Yeah, all of these were $1. So there's 6 of them, and I'm just going to scatter these all throughout the house. So I got 2 of the, So I got 2 of the bronze color, 1 silver, and then I got a dark green, which I think might be my favorite, and then a pretty little white one, And then I got this navy blue one, which is the one that I just dropped, but this one's my favorite. Yeah, this one's my favorite. So these were all $1, but I am thinking, I got these two yesterday and all the other ones today, but I'm thinking these were $1. There were some of the trees in various sizes that weren't much bigger than this that were in the $3 range, and then a little bit bigger in the $5 range. So these might have been $3, but these were definitely $1, these smaller ones, because this tag's still on them. $1. All right, so I bought a lot of trees this year, or at least I feel like I bought a lot of trees. Okay, so the next item I got, it wasn't the tree that sold me. Maybe it was the tree. I don't know, but the bases on these are so cute. Look at these. Maybe I'm such a 32-year-old person. Like, I'm so excited over household stuff. I get excited over cleaner. I get excited over new laundry soap that smells amazing. I get excited over decor. So these were $3. Heck of a deal. And as you can see, they have the candy cane looking bottoms on them, but on top of that I also got one other one as like a filler for an area. I'm not quite sure yet. I'm not even close to being done decorating. This is the only tree that I have up. This is my mini in my living room, and then I have some garland like on my fireplace and stuff, so I don't really have anything up yet. It's a process, and I think I'm changing my big tree decor this year. So anyways, this one was also $3, as you can see, and it has a different color bottom. This one also has the snow, and it's flocked, and this one does not have, well, it has the snow, but it's a lot less potent because it's an evergreen tree, and this one is it's also an evergreen. So evergreen and fir, probably. But anyways, I am obsessed with these. These look so cute. Anywhere that you decorate that you need to add like height or some kind of focal point that's not just a straight line when you're decorating on, like, say, a shelf, these are perfect to set behind or beside and kind of stagger, and that way you have some height in your decor. So these are amazing, especially if you're on a budget. So the next item that I picked up is these super cute dish towels. I have a ton of dish towels from last year, and we use the heck out of them, and some of them I put in the bathrooms because I have 3 bathrooms and I only decorate the main floor bathroom usually. Sometimes I'll stick something cutesy in the kids' bathroom, but they don't really care. So anyways, I picked up these, and these were $5, and these are the kitchen towels. It says Cookie Company, baked fresh. I am about to try my hand at professional cookie decorating. I'm so nervous, but I purchased all this stuff. It's on its way from Amazon. It should be here today. So if all goes well, or it's not a complete mess, which I'm sure it will be, then I'm gonna go ahead and just record that, and I'll upload that so you guys can see. But these are so cute. I have an obsession with little gingerbread men, even though gingerbread's not technically my favorite at all. So okay, so the next item that I got, I've never had one of these, so every year they put them out, and they've never really sparked my interest. I don't know if it's just because I wasn't that into decorating. I'm not sure, because I've always been into decorating, but I don't think I've ever felt the need to have a banner, but I went ahead and purchased one because this one caught my attention. It's big, it's not made of paper, it's not made of cardboard, it is made of fabric and stuffing, and I was like, well, you know, that one is definitely one that I want, so I went ahead and purchased it. This one was $3, and they are so stinking cute and so squishy and soft. So the next item that I purchased was from the Target that I went to yesterday. It's one of the 4 things that I got. I didn't get a whole lot, but this was $5, and it is the wood sled. Anyways, we have our elves on the shelves, and we think that they might be cute in this, or at least my daughter said that was a good idea. So I'm thinking maybe this is a good spot for Evie, our elf, to sit. But it's got height. You could make this like a little goodie basket and give it away for Christmas present. You could put stuff in it. You could shove some greenery in it, make it a centerpiece. Sky's the limit, but I love that. The next item that I got is the Christmas countdown, and it looks like this, and it hangs, and it's got like a suede hanging thing on it. This was $3, and then this untapes let's just look at it while we've got it out. It's got a string that's attached here, and then you can move it. You can highlight the days that are left until Christmas, and I think that my kids will really enjoy moving this around. All right, so the next item I got, this was $3, and it's a little ceramic deer with the gold accent antlers on top, or horns. Could be a reindeer, could be a regular deer. But I absolutely thought this was so cute. This will go good on a shelf, and this actually can stay up all winter long if you do winter decor. Like, I'll do summer decor, fall decor, Christmas decor. Sometimes I'll leave a few of the Christmas things up because they look more like winter, so this could actually stay up all winter if you wanted to. And then the next item that I purchased, all right, there's two of these. So the next item that I purchased are these signs. So this one was $3. It says sleigh rides. And old-fashioned hot cocoa. This is so cute. It's farmhouse, it's vintage. It could go with literally any decor. And then this one was also $3, and it's the Milk and Cookies Company. These would be so cute on like a coffee bar or a hot chocolate bar or whatever you wanted to use them for. But I think this is really, really cute, and this one too, and they're so cheap, like $3. You can't go wrong. So I picked up both of those. I also got this yesterday. Took the tag off, but I got this one yesterday. This is a $5 pillow. It is not very big when you compare it to a regular couch pillow. It's not that big. I feel like it's bigger than the fall ones that we had though. So anyways, super cushy. Very well made, as you can see, and this was $5, and this is the only pillow that they had besides the stars, so I'm going to keep an eye out over the next week or two and see if they add more pillows, because I have a huge couch and I like to have it filled with pillows. All right, guys, last but not least is an item that you see me upload sometimes on my Instagram. I do have an affiliate link below, so I'm going to go ahead and share these with you. I 100% love these products. These are the Mrs. Meyer all natural cleaning products. I use them in most of my videos unless I haven't had my shipment come in, and if my shipment hasn't come in, that is completely my fault, not Grove Collaboratives. They've been nothing but supportive of me and my channel and everything that I do. But these I did pick up at Target because I was so excited, and I have a clean with me video coming out soon, and I wanted to try these out. This is the Snowdrop scent, and it smells so good. I didn't care for the Evergreen, I think is what it's called. It probably has a different name, but I didn't care for it that much. Oh my gosh. It smells like a mix. My hair's on it. My hair's on everything. It smells like a mix between like a really good, I don't know, perfume. It's floral, but it's not floral. It's almost got a honeysuckle scent, but maybe I'm wrong. Anyways, go find out for yourself. Use my code below. Order you some. If you don't want to use the links that are provided below because you are unable to click on them or you are unable to highlight them, you can go to my Instagram page. There is a link in my bio. If you just click that and click Grove Collaborative, you can see my affiliate and all the free goodies that you get by signing up through my link. This is, again, the Snowdrop scent. These are $3.99 each at Target, but if you go on the Grove Collaborative website, you're going to get a ton of free stuff with a $20 or $30 purchase. I can't remember. So that would include, you know, the spray, the dish soap, but then you're going to get like a soap suds brush and a ton of other accessories. So please go take a look. You will not regret it. Anyways, with that, I'm going to go ahead and end this video. I hope that you all have an amazing weekend. I apologize for the late upload, but I've had some family things going on. So if you pray, we would appreciate your prayers. I do think that you all are amazing. I appreciate you. My daughter thought I needed this. Anyways, I appreciate you. Please like, please subscribe, and don't forget to go check out Raysha's channel below. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.